In this video, I'm going to teach you how to activate O2 SIM card pay-as-you-go. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Activating your O2 pay-as-you-go SIM card is extremely straightforward. This might depend slightly on the type of SIM card that you have or where you bought it, but in general, these instructions that I give you in the video will work regardless of the SIM plan that you have. So the standard activation method is done by using the SIM card on your mobile phone and topping up. So all that you have to do is insert the card. Take your new O2 SIM card, pop out the SIM tray from your mobile device, insert the SIM into your mobile phone, and then turn it on. Usually, at this point, it should already connect to the network for O2 and be active. But if it is not active right away, then you need to perform a top up. Once you have your SIM card inserted into your mobile phone, you power it on and give it a few seconds or even up to a minute. See if it works. If it is still not working, you can perform a top up through three main ways. You can go to a physical O2 store or any shop with the green top up logo like a supermarket, newsagent, or a post office. Pay the cashier, receive the top-up voucher, or have the credit applied directly to the phone using your number on your SIM pack. You can call them at 4444 free from your O2 mobile and follow the instructions. You can top up using a credit or debit card. And finally, you can visit the official website and go to My O2. By signing in with your credentials, you can also perform the top up here. Once you register the SIM and perform the top-up, as soon as your mobile phone is powered on again, it will connect to the O2 network, usually within a few minutes, and you will receive a welcome text. If this does not happen, then I would recommend contacting their customer support or going to a physical O2 store. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.